In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Patreon notifications. If you want to stay updated on activity in your Patreon account, turning on notifications is a simple but very useful setting. Notifications can help you keep track of important updates, posts, messages, and other account activity so you don't miss anything that matters to you. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the notification settings and how to turn on the ones you want. To get started, open Patreon and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look for the settings option and tap on it. This is where Patreon keeps your account preferences and personal controls. So if you ever need to adjust how your account behaves, this is usually the place to begin. Make sure you're fully logged into the correct account before continuing, especially if you use more than one profile or switch between creator and member views. After you're in settings, go to notifications. This section is specifically designed to let you manage how Patreon alerts you about different types of activity. Depending on the version of the app or website you're using, the layout may look slightly different, but the notifications area should still be clearly labeled. Take a moment to look through the available options so you understand what kinds of updates Patreon can send you. Once you're in the notification section, turn on the toggles for the notifications you want to receive. This gives you control over which alerts are enabled and which ones stay off. For example, you may want to receive updates for new posts, messages, billing activity, or other important events, depending on how you use Patreon. If you prefer fewer interruptions, you can enable only the most essential options. On the other hand, if you want to stay fully informed, you can switch on more of the available notification types. As you make your selections, it's a good idea to review each option carefully so your notification settings match your preferences. This can help you avoid getting too many alerts while still staying connected to the content and updates you care about most. And that's it. Once the toggles you want are turned on, your Patreon notifications will be enabled. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in helping you stay organized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you set up your Patreon notifications quickly and easily.